Hello students! Today we are going to be learning about weather, what types of weather there are and what that means for us and how it affects us in our daily lives. Our first point of discussion here is we're going to talk about what exactly weather is. Weather can be defined as the change in the atmosphere. Now this word here, atmosphere, is kind of a big word. But a good way to think about it is that the atmosphere is the air that is all around us every day. Furthermore, another thing we can learn about weather is the types of weather there are. Some types of weather include wind, lightning, storms, hurricanes, tornadoes, rain, hail, snow, and much more. Now I want you to think about this question here at the bottom. What is your favorite kind of weather? Do you like weather when it's sunny and hot outside? Or do you enjoy weather when you bundle up on a cold winter day? Next, we're going to think about how weather affects us every day, even the clothes we wear. So I want you to imagine that you wake up one morning and you look out your window and the sky looks like this. It's raining and everything is wet. Which clothes do you think you would choose to wear to school that day? Would you choose to wear your bathing suit? Or would you choose to wear a jacket, an umbrella, and boots? Yes, I think too the best thing for us to wear would be a rain jacket, boots, and an umbrella, because that would help us stay dry, even in cold and wet and rainy weather. Great job. Now we're going to talk about one specific kind of weather. This image here shows a tornado. Tornadoes are big and scary storms that we need to learn about, and it's important for us to know because they can really affect us in our daily lives. So now we are going to watch a short video about this specific kind of weather.
With winds up to 300 miles an hour, $10 paths of destruction, tornadoes are some of the least understood phenomena in nature. For years, meteorologists and scientists have been trying to decipher how and when tornadoes form. That's why electronics engineer Tim
Awesome, what a great video. So we can see from that video that tornadoes are very powerful forms of weather. Now to finish our lesson, we are going to play a review game to match the kinds of weather we've learned about to their picture. So first we see here in this image that the sun is shining and the sky is blue. We can best define this type of weather as sunny, so we will match them together. Perfect, there's one match. Now here we can see that the ground and the sky are white and it appears very cold, and we can name this weather as snow. Awesome. Now this weather here we can see when we were talking about imagining the type of clothes we would wear on this type of day where everything is wet. This type of weather can be known as rain. And lastly, we have this powerful storm that we watched a video about that we can label as a tornado. Perfect. And that is all that we have for today's lesson. Thank you for listening and learning about the weather.